Alright, Jerry just left. He's going to get a coffee. I got my coffee. I gotta move this over yonder a little bit. He's having a wheel problem on his van. Drag my jack out here and we'll see what's going on with his vehicle. And then I got to put some little legs on here. Get a little air going. I don't know if I said before, I put this little light in there so I can see way over yonder at the door if this thing is on or not, air compressor. I'm down here at the shop, but I see Bob up there painting the top of that horse trailer. Jerry done brought a biscuit this morning. Bugler, roll of Romex. Yeah, buddy.
Look at that. Look at that.
I think you found your problem.
Look at that. Watch, watch.
Yes. I've had that happen plenty of times.
Should I take it all the way off?
Yeah. Look at it. I was going down 78 one time in my 56, and here comes my wheel rolling up on the left of me all the way down.
See, I was going down the road with my 16-foot trailer loaded down big time with my something happened to my truck, so I got my big old 32-foot motorhome and went over there and picked it up on the job, and I was driving across them railroad tracks down there by Arcata. I went across them railroad tracks, and Cynthia looked at me, she goes, Jerry, she goes, the trailer just passed. I goes, what? and I looked, and it was all the way past me, all the way down, going down through this field across into this parking lot where all these cars are parked. It went between the building.
I don't know if I got that or not. Loose blood and the camera shut on. This one was also loose. Check this one back here, Jerry. You didn't walk around there.
Didn't I tighten that one?
That one back yonder.
Oh. Yeah.
If the wheels ain't weren't.
That there's tight.
Figured that little problem out.
No, those are tight too. I tightened them.
Alright, he's gonna go check it out. Ought to be better, huh? Bob is on the job.
How long have you been taking pictures?
Huh?
How long have you had that camera?
I think we had this camera about a year. Maybe. Nah, it ain't been a year. It's been about 6 months. Really don't know. We had it a while.
I took a lot of pictures in my life. My uncle's
Alright, Jerry's going down to Harbor Freight. Going to pick up some plug-ins. Male and female. That'll be good. Still got a bunch of cords that could be repaired. Alright, I want to get my testers out. I'm going to get this gentleman and this gentleman, and I'm going to go see what's wrong with the tractor lights. That's what I'm going to do. Alright, now I got my light tester. This is for the hood. This is 1/2 inch 9/16. Phillip head, straight head, voltmeter, hammer, and a pair of pliers. Now you can fix anything. Oh yeah. Alright, over here at the tractor. Camera will sit here. Maybe. The dust out of there. Somebody left tape over here. Alright, let me get this thing unbolted and see what I can figure out here. Alright, I went and got some more tools. This switch right here is up in between there and this part. So I'm going to attempt to take the switch off. Little set screw in there and take this off and bring the switch out here. The electrical lines is right on the top. Let me try that. Set screw come right out. Has a set screw and it's threaded. For reference, this nut is 7/8. No fire to the switch. There. And this thing's working. Okay. This wire here that somebody had on. That works the headlight. And the backlight. Alright, got that figured out. And that's the only wrench I didn't bring, a 5/8. Alright, back to the shop. Alright, I got that baby back on here. Yeah. Uh-oh. Well, it was working, but it ain't working now. I traced it down to this little fuse. The fuse is blown. That's not good. Be a naked wire touching somewhere. But the emergency does work. Somebody's put one of them on there, or it come on here. Probably they put it on there. Now let me go see if I got a fuse on the one down. 30 amp. I didn't know I had one. I found it. Over and under. Let me see if this fixes better. Blew it immediately. It did. Well, sir, the only way to fix that is these wires have to be traced all the way up yonder. I do see a voltage regulator up there. Only way to get to that would be easy, would be to remove the gas tank. Have to trace all these wires back up through here. All these down through here. There is a short somewhere. And that's the way it goes. Ain't got time to mess with this right now. That do work. Back to the shop we will go, along with my bench. Alright, I gotta get back on this baby. I clean my bench off. More drop cord repair. I repaired the cord. We got 2 cords repaired, and I did fix that old plug there that stripped out that ground. Got something done. We're gonna get this one fixed up too. Got another one fixed. That's 3 cords fixed. TV repair in the field. Bolts for the handle. Fixing to go clean them off a little bit. I got the glass off. Fixing to put these in here. Just like that. And I'm taking care of this thing. This is the best hacksaw I've ever had. A Stanley, very easy to put on and off, and I just found out you can put it on there on the side. I didn't know that. Now I can get up there flush and cut that off.
Handy little thing.
Yeah.
Alright, that is both of them.
Jim's going around there and take that wasp nest down. Won't know if I'm going to take the camera over. I ain't going over there. I'll stay over here. Finally got all that done. Now Jim's got to make his sign. I thought I had this black 4-inch ABS plastic out of my lie. I went down there and hid it in the woods, and then here comes Jerry dragging it back up. Well, it's gone now. It's going across the ditch under the ground. Wind blowing. Wind blowing bad.
Yeah, it is.
But it was working beautiful a minute ago.
Oh, I turned on the camera is what happened. That's what he did down here.
Even though it's the wrong resistors, I ain't got no 1 ohm. As long as you put it close on this side,
Yeah,
it'll work. If the wind ain't blowing. We're going to investigate a hole.
You have to see the tunnel going this way? I don't know if you can see it, but see the tunnel? Come over here on this side.
Already.
And there's a tunnel going this way. Now come on this side. That tunnel down there is deeper than this one.
Well, this is one hard ground right here. That's hard to believe now, ain't it?
Yeah, you see it. There's the hole right there. And now it's about this big around.
Probably a root that rotted out, I guess. I don't know.
It's a perfectly round hole going this way, though.
Yeah, and it ain't perfectly round going that way.
So it was a root when they rot out.
No.
Damn it. Well, yeah, but...
Okay, I gotta get over here, huh? Maybe. And take this off the timer. You want to test out lights. Let me do that. That ought to do it. Now that I've knocked everything off the table here. Alright. Up here in the garden. We'll give these one more day, although I don't think this is going to do anything. That one's ready to tick now. I mean, I don't know what the grasshoppers is doing up here, and the aphids, I know what they're doing. They're trying to kill it. Maybe that's 2. Needs picking now. These are strange. They're going real tall and skinny. A lot of things happening today. A lot of it not on camera. They run to the store, my break time. That's where I got my resistors. Now that old TV. Earlier on today. Jim said this old TV's shooting fire. I want to see it. We need some more action going on. I'm gonna take off the back and plug it up and see what's going on. Of course, I'll let Stacy plug it up first. Alright, plug it up. I don't see nothing. You gotta turn it on?
It was doing it without me turning it on.
I hear something.
Get the remote.
Well, there goes that fire action.
Do you want me to hit a button on the front?
Turn it on and see.
Yeah, it's on right now. It's on
What's the
game.
noise?
That's weird.
All right.
You hear that?
And you said you seen fire coming out of it?
You remember seeing it, didn't you?
That's a no-go. I'll cut this camera off and then it'll explode.
Well, we're all sitting here that's close to it.
Hear it? It's frying.
No signal, Harry. Nightly walkthrough. Checking things out. Can't show everything. And now that we've done all that, I gotta walk the entire trail again. I lost my rag out of my back pocket. And we had a few exciting moments there. That's your next exercise, Harry.
Well, tip me over and pour me out.
Huh?